Many of us have this plant at home. It is called Tuna Cactus. This plant is one of the plants that deserves attention in poultry. Tuna Cactus or prickly pear cactus. This remarkable plant is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, minerals, natural sugars, and moisture that can benefit poultry health and productivity. Tuna Cactus is 100% stronger than garlic and 50% stronger than lemon. Tuna Cactus is an excellent natural supplement rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants that help support immunity, digestion, hydration, and overall flock performance. In today's video, I will show you why poultry farmers should start using Tuna Cactus and how to use it properly in your poultry and livestock farming business. Tuna Cactus for poultry, the natural feed secret for bigger and healthier chickens. Please watch the video to the end if you want to get the best result from this particular video. You will know the benefit of Tuna Cactus in poultry farming. The poultry health problems it may help you manage or cure. How to prepare Tuna Cactus tonic for your poultry and livestock animals. Dosage in drinking water and how to supplement it in their feed. The combination of Tuna Cactus tonic in poultry farming. Share this video and drop your question if you have any question at the end. Hello, what are the benefits of Tuna Cactus in poultry farming? Number one, Tuna Cactus boosts natural immunity of poultry birds. The antioxidants and vitamins in Tuna Cactus help support the best natural defense system against infections of different kinds. Support healthy blood formation. Its vitamins and minerals contribute to the healthy blood circulation and vitality of poultry and livestock animals. It improves digestion. The natural fiber in Tuna Cactus supports gut health and feed utilization. It encourages faster growth. Do you want maximum growth in your poultry? Want your broilers, layers, and other poultry birds to grow bigger and stronger? Tuna Cactus is the answer. Healthy birds convert feed more efficiently and promote better growth. It reduces heat stress. The high moisture content of Tuna Cactus helps birds stay hydrated during hot weather. Improves appetite. Pigs often consume Tuna Cactus based supplements, readily supporting feed intake. Support healthy feathers and skin. If your birds are eating or drinking the inner Tuna Cactus tonic, their skin and feather will look sharper and brighter because the vitamin A in Tuna Cactus contribute to healthy skin and feather development and feather formation. It reduces feed costs. The plant can partially supplement expensive feed ingredients. It supports egg production in laying birds. Are you a layers farmer? Do you have poultry birds laying in your farm? Broilers, noilers, parent stock, and others. Tuna Cactus can help you produce jumbo egg size and stronger eggshell because healthy layers may maintain better laying performance after consuming Tuna Cactus plant juice. Natural source of vitamins and minerals. It provides nutrients that contribute to the overall flock health. What problems or health issues in poultry can you use Tuna Cactus to solve or cure? Now I'm going to give you all the health issues in poultry. Listen carefully as a nutritional supplement, not a medication. Tuna cactus supports birds during heat stress, mild digestion disturbances, when your birds stop eating or when they're not eating enough as you expect them to eat. And you know, if they're not eating enough, don't rejoice because your birds are not eating enough, or you may spend less in feed. What it means is that they cannot give you the maximum benefits or maximum results. Mild digestive disturbances can make birds not to eat well. Poor appetite, they will not eat well, they will see food and they will run away from the food. This plant juice can help you correct it. General immune challenges, are they easily catching infections? The juice and tonic of Tuna cactus can help you boost the immunity. It should be considered as a cure for serious bacterial, viral or parasite diseases in poultry and livestock. How do you prepare this to get the best benefit? Get fresh Tuna cactus plant and you want to make the tonic. Get the plant first. You know it has thorns on it. If you check the gardens around the environment, you always see this plant, or some big houses around the area, you always see them plant this plant in their flower areas because they know the value of this plant. It's not only for decorative purpose, they have strong medicinal purpose also, mostly for poultry and livestock farmers. After harvesting the quantity you want to use and what quantity do you need, what you do to the end, you get all this. Wash thoroughly, slice them, remove the spines carefully, wash thoroughly with clean water, chop into smaller pieces the way you chop okra. Then if you have blender, good for you and best, put inside a blender and blend very well. After blending, if you don't have blender, you can still use pestle and mortar in your kitchen. Pound it very well. After pounding and blending, filter through a clean cloth, or if you have sieve, kitchen sieve, sieve it. The green juice is ready for use. Now, what is the dosage for different birds? You need to add 1 liter of water during blending, but if you are using mortar and pestle to pound it, don't add water. It has its own water content. After, extract the water and use 1 liter and squeeze it out correctly. For chicks, during brooding period, 50 ml juice per liter of drinking water. If you don't know what 50 ml is, use syringe, injection syringe. Buy a very new injection. I didn't say you should go and pick injection syringe from the dustbin now. Buy a fresh injection syringe, 20 ml. You can use 20 ml or 50 ml. If you have 50 ml, use the 50 ml of it. One per 1 liter of water. For growers, 100 ml per liter of water. For broilers, big birds, 100 to 150 ml of the juice per liter of water. Then for laying birds, 100 ml juice per liter of water. Provide this 2 to 3 times weekly to your birds and see the results you get. Method 2, through feed supplement. You can use it to supplement their feed also. Remove the spines, wash thoroughly, chop finely, sun dry it and grind it into meal. Mix it with their feed, 2 to 5 kg per 100 kg of feed. Give to your birds and see the result. Best combination, you can still combine this tonic with other natural plants like garlic, guava leaf, or pawpaw leaf to get amazing results. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please, if you have any question, ask your questions. If you're combining with all these plants, wash the plant thoroughly and mix them together, blend together and squeeze out the juice. The combination can provide additional vitamins, antioxidants and nutritional support for your flock. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers. And if you have any question regarding this topic or any other topic we have treated, just drop it on the comment section. I will be glad to answer you. Give this a thumb up. If you are not yet joined our channel membership, join the poultry site family. You'll be glad you did so. Tuna cactus is one of the most underutilized plants in poultry farming worldwide. It can help improve hydration, support immunity, promote healthy growth, and reduce heat stress and lower feeding costs. When combined with proper feeding, vaccination, sanitation, and adequate biosecurity measures, it can become a valuable part of an organic poultry management program. If you find this video useful, please share it, subscribe to the channel, and join our channel membership. This is practical natural poultry farming tips you have received. Give it a thumb up immediately. Make sure you share this video, at least share to 1 or 2 platforms each person. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video loading very soon. Don't go away. This is a very powerful video loading in the next channel. Join that channel and make sure you watch the video till the end. Our Eco Bio Booster is still available. We have it in different containers. We have it in 3 liter, we have it in 5 liter, we have it in larger liters if you want. Any one you need. See, this is 3 liter. 3 liter, you can get this for 30,000 naira. You pay for your way bill. Eco Bio Booster. We have it in 5 liter also, 55,000 naira. Our feed booster is also available. No matter your location, you get it under 24 hours. But you pay for your way bill. Bye for now.